Going, Austin.
Okay. Whoa, Katie!
What?
Teach more.
You go into this one too?
Oh no, that's awesome! I have a customer who did that with Gizmo when I was at Nordstrom. They had the Mogwai and it would go like Mexico, France, and it was in her Burberry, in her Louis Vuitton.
We would send it back to that person.
Oh my gosh, that's so wrong.
Wow. Wow.
Scary! Scary!
You okay?
Look, it says go back. Look. I thought it would do some...
I don't know if there's batteries.
Ooh, that thing's scary.
Ooh, wow, look at this. Look at the skull.
He's totally scared. Oh, I'm sorry. Say trick or treat. He's
Trick or treat.
Oh, say trick or treat. Oh, we have two at home. He's fine. There you go. Thank you, Austin.
Say thank you, Austin.
Austin, thank you.
Austin, say thank you.
Too much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.